ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवत् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। द्वितीय अध्यायः द्वितीयावली 12th मंत्र। एको वशी सर्वभूतान्तरात्मा
एको वशी सर्वभूतान्तरात्मा
एकं रूपं बहुधा यः करोति
एकं रूपं बहुधा यः करोति
तमात्मस्थं येन पश्यन्ति धीराः
तमास्तं येन पश्यन्ति धीराः
तेषां सुखं शाश्वतं नेतरेषाम्।
तेषां सुखं शाश्वतं नेतरेषाम्।
One of the important mantra of the Kathopanishad. Here the Tattvamasi Mahavakya is presented. Jagat Karanam Ishvara Tat Tvam Asi. Jagat Karanam Brahma is this Atma which is in this Hridaya Buddha of the Jiva. So Brahma is Paramarthika and Jiva is Vyavaharika. So this Vyavaharika Jiva or Jivatvam is Mithya. What is there? Only Ishvara. He alone is obtained in this Shariram. Who is the cause of this Jagat? So therefore, this Jiva, the Vyavaharika, as its dependency, as its Sattvam dependent on this Paramarthika Brahma. With reference to the Srishti, the Brahma is called Ishvara. So this Ishvara and the Atma, they are not different. Therefore, Aham Ishvaraha Asmi, Ahavakya. So Tat Pada and Tvam Pada, Tat referring to Brahma, presented here as Jagat Karanam, and Tat is equal to Tvam. Tam Atmastam, that is the description of the Jiva. Tam Atmastam. So, therefore, Tat is equal to Tvam. Dropping the Upadhi Veda. Dropping the Upadhi Veda. Upadhi is Mithya. So, dropping the Upadhi Veda, considering only the Lakshyartha, Tat is equal to Tvam. Tat Padartha. What is denoted by the word Tat and what is denoted by the Tvam, dropping the Upadhi, that is equated. Mahavakya, the great equation. So therefore, that is the teaching. So therefore, Jiveshvara Aikyam and the Aikya Jnana Palam. Aikya Jnana Palam. So that is presented. That is presented in this mantra. Therefore, Ekaha. Ekaha means one. Ekaha, it means there is no second. There are no many things. There are no many Brahma. There are no many Ishvara. Only one Ekaha. It means Sajatiyadi Veda Shunyaha Ityartaha. There is no Veda, there is no difference in terms of Sajatiya or Vijatiya or Swagata Veda. Brahma is free from all these types of Veda, the divisions. So, Veda Shunyaha, therefore Ekaha. Like a mango tree is, there is not only one mango tree, there are many mango trees. So, one mango tree is different from other mango tree, that is Veda, Sajatiya Veda. Not only mango trees are there are other trees, coconut tree, and there are also many Vijatiya Veda. Within a mango tree, there are many parts. Trunk is there, roots are there, leaves are there, flowers are there, and fruits are there. These are Swagata Veda. Like that, Brahma doesn't have Veda. There is no second thing. There is no neither second thing, nor within that there are Veda, there are no divisions. It is Ekarasaha. That is the meaning of the word Ekaha. Ekarasaha, Veda Ragitaha, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata, Veda Ragitaha, Brahma, Ekaha iti. Ekaha, Vashi. Vashi means Sarvam Jagat Vashe Vartate Yasya Saha Vashasi Vashi. That one who is the controller. Everything is operative, everything exists because of that. Therefore, Vashi. Controller means it is not controlling like controlling with the rope. It's not like that control. Control is Vashi means controller. Paramatma, that Ishvara controls everything as it were. That is, everything enjoys the Sattvam, that existence, because of this Brahma. So, everything is dependently existent, but Brahma is independently existent. That is the meaning of the word Vashi. So Vashi is everything owes its existence to Brahma. Minus Brahma, they don't have existence. Therefore, Vashi. Sarva Bhuta Antaratma, we have seen this word. Sarva Bhuta Antaratma is Sarva Praninam Buddhau Stitaha Yaha Atma. That is Ekaha, Ekam Rupam, Vedaragitam. Nirupadi Chidrupam, Atma. The one Atma, that Brahma, which is in all the beings, which is the essence of all the beings. So, Sarva Bhutantaratma, Ekam Rupam, which is Ekam Rupam, Bhagudaya Karoti. Ekam Rupam Bhagudaya Karoti. Here the Srishti is presented, Brahma as the Jagat Karanam. Ekaha, Ekam Rupam, that is Vedaragitam, that is Nirupadika Chaitanyam, Chidrupam, Brahma, Bhaguda Karoti. How it becomes many? By the Nana Upadi. Upadika Nana Prakarakam Karoti. Ekam Brahma, that one Brahma, Bhaguda Karoti. That is, Ekaha Paramatma alone manifests in the form of this entire Jagat, consisting of beings and things. And having created, it has entered. Anupravesha Shruti, Bhagusyam Praja Gegeti, Taittiriya Upanishad, Tat Srishtva, Tad Eva Nupravishat, Tadanupravishya. So, therefore, it is the Srishti. In one line, the Srishti, not in one line, 2 words. Ekam Bhaguda, Yaha Karoti, Srishti. Srishti is talked about. Ekam Brahma, Bhaguda Karoti, manifests in the form of this entire Jagat. So, this is Brahma. That Brahma, Tam Atmastam, ye Anupashyanti, those Anupashyanti, Paripashyanti, it means the seeing, the vision, those who have the vision, those who enjoy the vision, it means the Viveki. That's why Dhiraha, the word is that. Ye Anupashyanti, Dhiraha, because they only can really see, because they have the Viveka Buddhi. They have the Viveka Buddhi, they can do the Vichara and understand Nitya Nitya Vastu, that Viveka Buddhi, Viveka Jnanam Asti. Therefore, Anupashyanti, they see very clearly. They have the vision. What? Tam Atmastam iti. Tam Atmastam. Atmani Tishtati iti Atmastam. That which is obtained in this Shariram. Here, Atmani. Here, Atma is body, not Sachidatma. Atma is body. Tam referring to that Brahma, which is Ekam, Ekaha, Vashi, Sarvabhutantaratma, Ekam Bhaguda Bhavati, that Tam, that Atma, Atmastam, in this Shariram, obtained. The same Paramatma, which is obtained in this Shariram as Chaitanyam, obtained in this Shariram means with reference to the Shariram, with reference to the periphery of the body, as though it is obtained in the Shariram, inside the Shariram. There is no inside and outside. Upadhi being Nitya, and Brahma is sarvavyapi. Therefore, yata akashaha parichinnaha iva bhavati gatadi upadina. Similarly, this Atma, this Brahma, Ekam Brahma, Atmastam, Atmani tishtati iti ye anupashyanti, those who see. Those who see, they are dhiraha, they are buddhiman, they are viveki, dhiraha. The word dhiraha, it means the one whose buddhi is intact, operative, very well operative. Dhihi, dhiyaha prachodayat, that buddhi. They can see clearly. Tesham sukham shashvatam na itaresham. Their sukham is shashvatam. They enjoy the sukham, that permanent sukham. They enjoy. Tesham sukham shashvatam. Tesham sukham. They enjoy the sukham. What sukham? It is not Vishaya sukham. It is not Vishaya sukham. It is Swarupa sukham. Swarupa ananda. Sukham is equal to ananda. So, Swarupa ananda. How can they enjoy Swarupa ananda? Ananda is not an object. Their Swarupa is ananda. They revel in that Swarupam. They don't go after seeking ananda, sukham. Therefore, they are ananda swarupaha iti. That jnanam asti. Therefore, they don't go after vishayananda. Because the general tendency is paranchikani vetatna swayam bhuvu. Parang pashyati eva nantaratman. But this dhiraha sukham shashvatam sarvada anubhavanti. Anubhavanti means not in terms of the object. There is no subject-object difference. The swarupa is ananda. So atmanaha swarupa is ananda. That sukham, they revel, they exist in that sukham. They exist in that swarupa avastha, swarupa jnanam. That is sukham, and that is shashvatam. It is because it is swarupatvat. It is swarupatvat. It is not agantukam sukham. It is not adinatva sukham. The sukha doesn't depend on anything else. It is swarupatvat, therefore swatantraha. Atma swatantraha. Therefore swarupam is also independent of anything. Therefore sukham, and therefore shashvatam, tesham bhavati na itaresham, not for the other people. Other people is aviveki. That sukham, this aviveki cannot have, even though it is swarupa, but they don't know. Therefore, na itaresham. They do not enjoy this sukham. They do not appreciate this sukham. They do not realize that they are sukha swarupa, and therefore they suffer. Suffering is also adhyaropita on this swatantra sukha swarupa atma, adhyaropita. Therefore that is sukham or dukkham. Both are adhyaropita. With reference to the dukkham, we say sukham, but sukham, because swarupatvat, there is no sukham dukkham, swarupa jnanam. And sukham from the standpoint of dukkham, because they suffer, because they have got sharira abhimana. Sharira abhimana is they take sharira to be the atma, and the adhyaropita, jnana abhavat. They don't have that jnanam that atma is adhyaropita on this anatma shariram, and therefore sukha dukkha the anubhava. Therefore, taking the dukkha of the shariram or sukha of the shariram to be the sukham and dukkham, forgetting the swarupa sukham, swarupa ananda. Therefore, they continue to suffer. They are samsaris. Whereas dhiraha not like that. Even though they do perform the activity in the vivahara, but they revel in this sukham. Therefore, tesham sukham, this sukham is shashvatam. It doesn't come and go. It is not agantukam. It is swatantraha, it is swarupaha iti. Now we will read the Vashyam. Sahi Parameshwaraha
Sahi Parameshwaraha
Sarvagataha
Sarvagataha
Swatantraha
Swatantraha
Ekaha
Eka
Na Tat Samaha
Na Tat Samaha
Abhyadikaha Va
Adhika Vava
Anyaha Asti.
Anyaha Asti.
So, Saha hi Parameshwaraha. Yaha ek in the mantra Ekam Rupam Bhaguda Yaga Karoti Saha Ekaha Vashi Sarvabhutantaratma. Kaha Saha Kaha Saha Parameshwaraha. Who is that? That Saha is because Yaha the pronoun is the without introducing. Directly pronoun is used. Ekaha Vashi Sarvabhutantaratma Ekam Rupam Bhaguda Yaga Karoti. That Yaha Saha Kaha Saha Parameshwaraha. That is Parameshwara. Sahi Parameshwaraha is indeed is the Parameshwaraha, Paramatma. Sarvagataha. Sarvagataha is Sarvavyapi. It doesn't have any particular locus. Every locus is locus. Every locus has its existence, or every locus depends on him. Therefore, there is no locus for him. Therefore, Sarvatraha. Sarvatra, Sarvagataha, Sarvavyapi. Iti Sarvagataha. Akashavat. Ita Akashaha Sarvagataha. But Akasha is the closest example. Therefore, Akashavat. There is no example for Sarvagatatvam of Brahma. The closest example for our understanding, Akashavat. So Sarvatra Gacchati. Gacchati is not moving. It's movement. It's not that it's movement, that which is all pervade, Sarvagataha. Because it is Sarvagatraha, therefore it must be Ekaha. Ekaha, therefore Ekaha is that Veda, the divisions are not there. Therefore it is Sarvagataha, it is Ekaha, only one. It means there is no other Brahma. Equal or equivalent Brahma, another Brahma is not there. Or within the Brahma, there are no Veda, there are no divisions. It is independent. It is independent. So, and it is the, then we see differences in the creation. Therefore, it is the Karanam. It is Karanam that doesn't have a Karanam. Therefore, Swatantraha. The manifold forms of the Jagat, for that Brahma is a Karanam Brahma, and that Karanam doesn't have a Karanam. Therefore, Karana Ragitam Brahma. Therefore, it is Swatantraha, not created by, not produced by, not created by anything. Therefore, Swatantraha, and that is Ekaha. If it is created, then it will have a place of birth, it will have a place of birth, it will have a locus, because it is not created, it is Swatantraha, therefore it is Sarvagataha, and therefore it is Ekaha. It is only one. And how the creation is? The creation is because of this Maya. Maya is Brahmadinatvam. Brahmadinatva. Maya yaha Brahmadinatvam asti. Maya doesn't have independent existence. So, with the help of Maya, this Srishti is created. So, Maya is a Shakti of Brahma. And it is, Maya is not different from Brahma. Neither it is the part of the Brahma. It is, doesn't enjoy a separate reality as Brahma. It doesn't enjoy. Therefore, it is, Maya is Mithya. If Maya also enjoys, then Brahma is not Swatantraha. In spite of Maya, Brahma is Swatantraha. It means Maya doesn't have separate existence, separate reality. So the existence is only one. The only one we say because we have the perception of many, therefore we only one. If there are no many at all, then where is one? That is why na dvaitam advaitam also. Because we have the perception of dvaitam, perception of many, therefore we have to say ekaha iti. So Brahma along with Maya is responsible for this Srishti. But does it mean Maya is another reality? No, Maya doesn't exist apart from Brahma. Neither it is a part of Brahma. Therefore it is Mithya. Kinchit Bhavarupam asti. Sat asadbyam binnaha Maya iti. We cannot say Maya is Sat, Maya are Asat. Sat asadbyam binnaha. So, therefore, Brahma is Swatantraha, Ekaha, and Tat Samaha, not Tat Samaha. There is nothing equivalent or equal to Brahma. So, Maya is neither equivalent, nor there is another Brahma equivalent to it. So, it is Anataha. It doesn't have a boss. It doesn't have a boss over him. Brahma is a boss, ultimate boss, no boss over Brahma. That's Samaha, either equivalent. Maya is not equivalent. Maya is being Mithya. Therefore there is no comparison between Brahma and Maya. That's Samaha, equivalent to Brahma. There is no another Brahma, no other Ishvara. Competitor Ishvara not there. That's Samaha Nasti. Equivalent not there. Abhyadika va anyaha asti. Abhyadika va, not to be connected. Na anyaha asti. Abhyadikaha is greater than Brahma. That also not there. Neither equal or equivalent. There is nothing. There is no Brahma, second Brahma, having the same the sattva, paramarthika sattva as Brahma, or there is nothing other than, there is no another greater degree of reality. Brahma is paramarthika. This Jagat is Vyavaharika. Maya is Vyavaharika. So, therefore, this Vyavaharika Jagat has a dependency on Brahma. And Brahma is independent, doesn't have any dependency. It is Paramarthika. That for Paramarthika, there is no another Paramarthika. Therefore, Abhyadika va anyaha asti. Adikaha, greater than that. Greater than that is not there. Therefore, there is no second to Brahma. There is no other Brahma enjoying the same degree, higher degree of reality, that Paramarthika. Nothing higher than Paramarthika Brahma. It is only one Brahma, Paramatma, which is Paramarthika, having the highest degree of reality. Therefore, the reality is only one. Because we have Vyavaharika, Pratibhasika, therefore we say reality is one, and the reality is this Advaita Brahma, Ekatva. This is what is called Ekatva. Ekatva means in spite of many. In spite of many, there is only one, and that is the truth. Then what about the many? In spite of many, that is only the appearance. That is only the appearance of many. Many unreal things. It is mithya. So it is only an appearance. So therefore, Brahma is Ekaha, Swatantraha, Tatsamaha, Nasti, Abhyadika va Anyaha Nasti. Iti. Next line. Vashi.
Vashi.
Sarvam hi asya jagat vashe vartate.
Sarvam hi asya jagat vashe vartate.
Sarvam vartate. Jagat asya jagat vashe. Vashi. Vashaha asya asti iti vashi. The one who has the everything under his control. That's called Vash. Vash is Kanto. So the one who operates, who operates everything. So Sarvam Jagat Asya Vashe Vartate. Jagat Vashe is Sarvam Jagat. You have to connect like that. Vashi means what? Sarvam hi Asya Jagat Vashe Vartate. Jagat Vashe is Sarvam Jagat, the entire Jagat. Asya Vashe Vartate. It is in the Vasha. It has its dependency. Vasha is dependency. Controller, as I said, it is not any physical control, it is dependency. That Adhinatvam, Asvatantriyatvam. This Jagataha, Jagat is Asvatantram, doesn't have independency. Therefore, Sarvam Jagat, the entire Jagat, which is Vyavaharika, that owes its existence to this Param Brahma, Asya Vashe, which is under the Vasha of this Brahma. Therefore, the entire Jagat, which is under the Vasha of this Parameshwara. And therefore Parameshwara is called Vashi. That's why he is called Vashikara. Sarvam Vashikara. Sarvam Vashikaroti. So, therefore, everything depends on this Paramatma. That dependency is what Vashi is. So, therefore, everything has its dependence on Paramatma. Therefore, Paramatma is Vashi. That is why everything is attracted to Paramatma, naturally attracted to this Atma. That is why Atmanastu Kamaya Sarvam Priyam Bhavati. Everyone loves whom? Everyone loves oneself. This Atma alone they love. Because it has got that Vashi. Because it has everything has its existence because of that. Therefore, towards that they have that love. Sarvam Atmanastu Kamaya. Priyam Bhavati. That Priya is the Sukham, that is a Swarupa, that is Ananda, that is a Swarupa of Atma. Therefore, naturally, everything is under the Vasha of this Ekaha Paramatma. Then, Kutaha Sarvabhutantaratma.
Sarvabhutantaratma.
Kutaha means how? Sarvam Jagat Asya Paramatmanaha Vashe Vartate. Kutaha, how is that everything is under the Vasha of this Paramatma? How all the beings are attracted or towards this Paramatma, because it is Sarva Bhutantaratma. It is not that Paramatma is sitting somewhere and all the jivas he keeps under his vasha. It is Sarva Bhutantaratma. Paramatma alone is in all the beings. Sarva Bhutantaratma. Sarva Bhuteshu. Pranishu. Sarveshu Pranishu Vartate. Sarveshu Pranishu Sarva Praninam Buddha Stitaha. Buddha Stitaha, this Atma. Therefore, Sarva Bhutanta Atma. Sarva Bhutanta Atma is an important word. That is why it appears in many mantras. Sarva Bhutanta Atma. The previous mantra also we saw. So, Kutaha Sarva Bhutanta Atma. How that everything is under the Vasha of Paramatma, because Paramatma is the essence of all the beings. Therefore Vashaha. Tasya Vashaha. Sarva Bhutantaratma iti. Like all the products of clay. All the products of the clay is there. Similarly, in all the beings, and things of this Jagat, the whole Jagat, this Atma is there. Therefore, Sarva Bhutantaratma. As the clay is present in all the products of clay, similarly, this Atma is present in all the things and beings of this creation. And the creation is not different from this Brahma. Therefore, Sarva Bhutantaratma. Therefore, Vashi. So, Sarva Bhutantaratma is a Hetu. Is a Hetu for Vashi. By Paramatma, Ishvara is Vashi. Kutaha Asya Jagat, Sarvam Jagat, Tasya Vashe Vartate, because that is Hetu. Because he is Sarva Bhutantaratma. Hetutvat. That is Hetu. Sarva Bhutantaratma is a Hetu, is a cause. Is a cause, the reason for this Vashi. Vashi Karanam. Next slide. Yataha. Ekam eva. Sada ekarasam atmanam.
Sada ekarasam atmanam.
Shuddha Vijnana Rupam.
Vishuddha Vijnana Rupam.
Namarupadi Ashuddha Upadi Bheda Vashena.
Namarupadi Ashuddha Upadi Bheda Vashena. Bahuda
Aneka Prakaram.
Aneka Prakaram.
Yaha Karoti.
Yaha Karoti.
Svatma Satta Matrena.
Svatma Satta Matrena.
Achintya Shaktitvat.
Achintya Shaktitvat.
So, Paramatma is Sarva Bhutantaratma, because Paramatma is the Hetu, the Karana of everything. Therefore, it is called Vashi. And because Paramatma is Sarva Bhutantaratma, therefore, Bhaguda Karoti. Therefore, Bhaguda Karoti. Because it has become many. Because it has become many. That it has not become many. As it were, as though it manifests into many. Ekaha Paramatma manifests in the form of this Jagat. Jagat is many. Is as though many. So Paramatma is Ekaha. Sada Ekaha. Ekam eva sada. Always being one. Bhaguda Karoti. If it is one, how it can manifest into many. That the many is not real. It is Mithya. So in spite of many, it is Sada Ekaha eva. So ekaha eva sada. That ekarasam. Ekarasam is the sajatya vijatiya. The big swagata, the beda gita, ekarasam. One rasa, ekarasa. So ekam eva sada ekarasam atmanam. Bhashyakara says atmanam, atma. So previously it is Ishvara, now Atma. Talking about Ishvara, I am bringing Atma. Therefore, there is Aikyam. There is oneness. This Atmanam, Vishuddha Vijnana Rupam, which is of the Rupa, the form of Vishuddha Vijnanam. Vijnanam is Chaitanyam, consciousness, which is of the form of pure awareness. That awareness, the Chaitanyam, the consciousness, which is obtained in this Shariram, this body, in the Buddhi Guha. So that Paramatma, who is Ekaha Vashi Sarvabhutantaratma, Yaha Bhaguda Karoti, Saha Paramatma, who is of the form of Vishuddha Vijnana Rupam, is this Atma. Therefore, what about this Upadhi? Nama Rupadi, Ashuddha Upadhi, Veda Vashena. This Upadhi are many. Nama Rupadi, Ashuddha Upadhi Veda Vashena. Upadhi Veda is there are many Upadhis, and Upadhis are Ashuddha. It is impure. Impurity because of two things. They may be physically impure. That is one thing. Physically impure, dirt, dust, those are impurity. Also, the impurity is they do not have independent existence. That is a impurity. The impurity is this. They do not have independent existence. They have adhinatvam, therefore impure. They are not permanent. That is why it is ashuddha. Because they are not permanent, therefore subject to all sorts of changes and destruction. And they are only nama rupa. Swata sattam nasti. Therefore, only nama rupa. Nama rupa, this upadhi, which are many, and in the form of this nama rupa, upadhi, veda vashena. Upadhi veda vashena, Bhaguda aneka prakaram, yaha karoti. Yaha karoti, one who does, yaha karoti. That is, Paramatma makes himself manifest into this aneka prakaram karoti. Bhaguda is equal to aneka prakaram. It is adverbial. So the Paramatma, the one pure consciousness that in the manifest in the form of this many impure Ashuddha Upadhi in the form of Namarupa, Vedena, Bhaguda, manifold, Yaha Karoti, Swatma Satta Matrena, Swatma Satta Matrena, Swatma Satta. How does it manifold into many? Not by Parinama, by Vivarta, not by Parinama. There is no, Brahma doesn't undergo change to become this. Therefore, Swatma Satta Matrena. By its existence, by mere existence, it manifests into many. So, multiplies, manifests into Bhaguda, many, by its mere existence, own existence. Swatma Satta Matrena. Swatma Satta Matrena Bhaguda Karoti. So, Swatma Satta Matrena, this Ashuddha, Namarupa Ashuddha Upadhi Rupa Jagat Karoti. then this the hetu achintya shaktitvat. Katam karoti? Because of this maya, because of this maya karoti achintya shaktitvat. Therefore, achintya shakti is this Brahma which is endowed with this shakti, and the shakti is, it is inscrutable, incomprehensible shakti. This Brahma which is achintya, achintya is not available for description. Achintya shaktitvat. Achintya shaktitva is that endowed with. Endowed with means, as I told before, this maya, it is not a part of Brahma, not separate from Brahma. It is only the usage, achintya shakti, because Brahma is there, therefore maya is there. Brahma is there, therefore maya is there. If maya is there, Brahma continues to be. So Brahma is always, it is. Maya is mithya. So endowed with means when it manifests, when the Brahma manifests into this Jagat, then we see that Shakti of Brahma in the form of Maya. Therefore we say endowed with Shaktitvam. Tattva. Tva is, Tva, the word, this Pratyaya is added to a word when it has, in the sense of endowed with, as, in that meaning. So Gatatvam, Patutvam. Gatatvam, the status of having the potness. So achintya shaktitvam tasmat. This maya is inscrutable, incomprehensible. So therefore achintya shaktitvat, Brahma, because of its inscrutable shakti, the power, and the shakti in association with this maya, this Brahma becomes the Bhaguda, the manifold world. So it is like this, the dreamer, the person, the waker, when he enters into the dream, when he enters into the dream, the dreamer makes the Swapna Prapancha manifold. The dreamer makes the Swapna Prapancha manifold. That dream Swapna Prapancha is there. Only one, the dreamer is there. He alone appears to be the manifold Jagat, the Swapna Jagat. But there is only one. So what is this Shakti? What one person alone is there. Through him, this manifold Prapancha is manifested. That is Shakti. And the Shakti is Avidya Shakti. Similarly, Atma is Ekaha. There is no Veda, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata Veda Ragitaha. It is Sada Shuddhaha. It is Sada Shuddhaha, that Ekam Brahma Shuddha Chaitanyam. By the Maya Shakti manifests in the form of this entire Jagat. And the Shakti is Achintya Shakti. It cannot be, it is not available for understanding. Achintya Shakti. Avidya Shakti is Achintya Shakti. So, Nama Rupa Rupadi Ashuddha Upadi Veda Vashyena. The Upadi is Ashuddha. It has got Ashuddha many defects. Anityatvam asti. It has got Dukkham. All these are the Ashuddhi. Therefore, two things are there. One is Ekarataha Shuddha Chaitanya. Another thing is Ashuddha Aneka Upadi. Now, two having totally opposite attributes. Now they are combined as though it were. So this combination is brought in about this Achintya Shakti Maya. Therefore, Achintya Shaktitvat, how from one the many has come, that is Achintya. This Atma, Anatma, that Granthi, that combination, Jada, Chit, Jada, Granthi, that Granthi, Chit, Chaitanyam, Jada, Achetana, Anatma, Tesham, Tayogo, Granthi, that Granthi, they are combined. How can they be combined? Two things are different. Two, we are talking from the standpoint of this Jagat. There is no two. That Granthi, when we say Chit Jada Granthi, this Jada Anatma, it is Mithya. Therefore, really there is no Granthi also. That Granthi is there because for us Anatma Prapancha is real, therefore Granthi. And Anatma, many. Atma is Eka. How this is possible? Because of this Maya. Because of this Maya, and it is Achintya Shaktitvat, endowed with this Achintya Shakti. So therefore, this Nama Rupatmaka Karya Jagat, this Vyavaharika Jagat, that Srishtam by Brahma with Maya. Iti. So Achintya Shakti. Achintya Shakti yasya saha Achintya Shakti. Tasya bhavaha Achintya Shaktitvam tasmat Achintya Shaktitvat iti. That is, one who has this inscrutable power is called Achintya Shakti. Who is that? Parameshwara. If you take this compound Achintya Shakti as Bhaguvrihi Samasa, then it is Parameshwara. If you take this compound as Karmadarya, then it will become Maya. Achintya Shakti. Achintya Shakti, then it becomes this Achintya, then becomes Karmadarya. Achintya Sha Sa Shakti, Karmadarya. Then this Achintya Shakti becomes Maya. If you take it as a Karmadarya, then it becomes Maya. But if you take it as a Bhaguvrihi, it is Ishvara. So Paramatma alone appears as this Jagat. And that Paramatma, this appearing as this Jagat is because of this Maya Shakti. So the Maya alone is or accounts for this one Jagat manifold manifesting into many. So therefore this Maya Shakti is called Achintya Shakti. Maya as this power. Maya makes this Brahma, Ekam Brahma, appear as manifold. That's all. That appearance is not real. Because Maya being Mithya. Then Maya Satta Jagat also is Mithya. It is inexplicable. It is inexplicable in terms of whether it has existence or whether it has Sat or Asat. That's why Sat Asat Vyam Binnaha iti. It is real because avidya is there. When jnanam is there, when the vision takes place that everything Brahma, there is Maya, there is no Maya. Therefore, does it have Sattam? Is it Asat? No. You cannot say it is Sat, it is not Asat also. It is Brahma is Sat Asat Vyam. Brahma with Maya is responsible for this Jagat and this Jagat Karanam, this Maya Sagita Brahma. This Maya cannot be said it's as real or unreal. It is real from the standpoint of Vyavaharika Jagat, from the Paramarthika, it is not that. Therefore, it is Achintya Shakti. Not that it is inexplicable in the real sense, inexplicable in terms of that as a reality, it is inexplicable. It has got, because it has got the Vyavaharika Sat from the Paramatika Sat, it is not there. So it is there, it is not there. From two different degrees of reality, it is there. Therefore, Sat Asadvyam Anirvachaniyam iti. Therefore, Achintya Shakti. Because Achintya Shakti, therefore only Brahma is Vivarta Upadana Karana. Remaining as one appears as many. Okay, then the Achintya Shakti is a Hetu. Achintya Shakti Tvat. The next line. Tam Atmastam
Atmastam
Sva Sharira Hridayakashe
Sharira Hridayakashe
Buddhau
Buddhau
Chaitanyakarena
Chaitanyakarena
Abhivyaktam Ityetat
Abhivyaktam Ityetat
Tam Atmastam. Tam referring to the Paramatma. Paramatma Atmastam Atmani Tishtati. Obtain in this Atma. Here Atma is, Vashikara takes that to be the Buddhi. Atma is Buddhi. Atma is not the here is doesn't take to the body or to the Sachidananda Atma. It takes it as the Buddhi. Buddhi is body only. So Atma is here is body. Atmastam Swa Sharira Hridaya Akashe Buddhau. Swa Sharira in the one's own body. Hridaya Akasha in the cavity of the heart. Hridaya Akasha, which is Buddhi. Which is Buddhi. Hridaya Akasha is called Buddhi. That is the locus, or that is the Upalabdhi Sthanam of Atma. Atma is everywhere, but it is its Upalabdhi Sthanam. It is recognized, its presence is recognized in the Buddhau Hridayakasha, Hridayakashe. So this Paramatma, which is Jagat Karanam, it's obtained or it is recognized, its Upalabdhi Sthanam is this Hridayakasha, Buddhau. How it is present? Chaitanya Akarena. Chaitanya Akarena, in the form of this Chaitanya. It Abhivyaktam, manifest in the form of Chaitanyam, awareness. This Atma manifest in this Buddhi, Guha, Hridaya Guha. So, the Paramatma, the all-pervading, Sarva-Vyapti, Sarvagataha Paramatma, Ekaha, Ekarasaha, Sarvabhut Antaratma, this Paramatma is obtained in this Hridaya Guha. Therefore, Hridaya Guha means, therefore, this Atma, which is this Chaitanyam, consciousness, that Atma and the Atma, that is Paramatma, the same, the Pratyekatma. Therefore, there is oneness. So, Jiva, with reference to this Atma, this Hridaya Guha, and Tam, the Paramatma, Ishvara, who is Jagat Karanam, Bhaguda Yaga Karoti, who manifests in the form of this manifold Jagat. Therefore, it's an equation. Abhivyaktam Ityetat. The same Paramatma is obtained in this Hridaya Guha. Therefore, same means that they are not different. Therefore, Aikyam. So therefore, Jiva Ishvara Aikyam is pointed out. Tam Atmastam iti. So Atmastam, Atmani Tishtati. So it is not. It is that Atmani Tishtati. It is not that Atmani, that Adhikarana. It is not like Kunde Badaramiva. Not like that. The Badara fruit is there in the Kunda, in the vessel. It is not adhikarana. Adhikarana saptami. Here, the saptami vibhakti, atmani tishtati, that tatpurusha samasa, atmani tishtati. It is not tatpurusha, it is upapada samasa, atmani tishtati iti. That it is doesn't have that particular locus. It is only the upalabdha sthanam. Atma being everywhere, it is recognized in that particular space. So it doesn't mean that Atma is located only in Hridaya Kasha. Its presence is recognized. As light is recognized everywhere, but the reflection of light is recognized in the mirror. Similarly, this Ekaha Atma and that Atma in this Hridaya Guha in the form of Chaitanyam is obtained, abhivyaktam, manifest. So, therefore, tishtati iti. We will stop here. The next time we will see. We will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद
हरि ओम जी।
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद जी।
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद।